Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can personalize FaceTime, name and photo sharing on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on FaceTime. Then in the FaceTime setting page, scroll down and tap on Share Name and Photo. Now on the first option here, you can choose to share your name and photo by tapping on this toggle button. Turn it on will allow you to share, and switching it off will prevent your name and photo sharing. Okay, so once it is turned on, you can share it. Now the next option is your name, so you can tap on that to choose how you want to display your name. You can display your full name or your nickname or whatever you choose that to be. So here we can put in so you can change it. You can choose share automatically to contacts only or always ask. And at the top here, if you tap on the edit button, this will allow you to customize which style that you use, so which poster style that you use, which photo that you use. So tap on add to add in a new poster, or you can customize an existing one. So tap on customize and then choose poster. This will allow you to customize the poster. So you got monogram, Emoji. So you got Emoji here. Sorry, I'll just go back. So you can choose Emoji. And then you can select all the different icons down here. Or you can choose to take a photo. So tap on the camera to take a photo. Once you have done that, tap on the next button. At the top here, you can choose your font style and color. So here we can choose a different style, and you can make it thicker or thinner. And you can also change your color. After that, tap on the close button and then tap on done to save the changes. Now there are a few more settings down here that you can tap on it to modify your icons here. So we can turn on depth effect on or off, and then tap on done. Now say preview poster. This is what it looks like. So tap on the continue button, and then you can choose to crop. So tap on the crop button will allow you to zoom in or zoom out to crop the image, and then tap on choose, and then tap on done. Now so here you can continue or choose a different photo. And this is what it looks like. So if you tap on edit, you can see we can tap on customize button and then choose contact photo. So here I want to select a contact photo, so I'm going to tap on next, and then tap on update now, or choose a different poster. I want to select photos, so here I'm going to select photos instead, and then tap on done. So you can also select a different style to use. So in here we can swipe across and select a different style, then tap on done, and that's it. Now tap on continue, then tap on done, and here we have a new background profile, and that is how you can customize your FaceTime, share name and photo. It is quite extensive, allowing you to customize the font, the background pictures, and how it will display to other people when you are having a conversation with them on FaceTime. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.